Are your mix-ins just sitting on top or getting chopped too much in your Ninja Creami? If your chunks aren't blending properly, here's how to fix it. Step 1. Always spin your base first. Mix-ins should be added after the first spin. Trying to blend them in during the initial cycle will overprocess them or leave them uneven. Step 2. Use the right mode. Only use the mix-in mode for mix-ins, not light ice cream or sorbet. Those modes are too aggressive and will break up chunks. Step 3. Don't overload the well. Add mix-ins only to the center well of the pint, not across the entire surface. Keep it below the fill line so the paddle can pull it through evenly. Step 4. Use firm but scoopable mix-ins. Too soft, and they'll dissolve. Too hard, like frozen candy, can jam the paddle. Chop pieces to about the size of a raisin for best results. Step 5. Clean the paddle before mix and spin. Leftover residue can block chunk movement and cause poor blending. Give it a quick rinse and dry before running the mix-in cycle. Still not blending right? Try a second spin or mix manually with a spoon. Ninja support link is in the description if you suspect a paddle or mode issue. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfect pint.